So we have discussed different preliminary concepts of probability and mathematical analysis. Now we shall discuss an important application of these quantities in large sample inference. We shall start with delta methods. So what is a delta method? A delta method gives the asymptotic distribution of a function of statistics. Now depending on the nature of the function, we have either a univariate distribution or a multivariate distribution. Now we shall also discuss different applications of delta method, that is we shall in particular find the large sample distributions of different sample statistics, that is sample variance, sample skewness coefficient, sample kurtosis coefficient, sample coefficient of variation, and then pass on to finding the large sample distribution of sample correlation coefficient. And we shall discuss also their applications in statistics, in particular finding some inferential procedures based on this. In particular, if we consider correlation coefficient, we know that we can find optimal tests to for independence of different samples. But if we want to test that the population correlation coefficient is some value which is other than 0, then we cannot make some exact test. However, using these delta methods, we can find the large sample distribution of sample correlation coefficient, and based on this we can develop a test procedure for correlation coefficient even when the null value is different from 0. So all these things will be discussed in this week.